Hi there. We got beautiful reconstruct. Within a few weeks, it's coming in a market. Before it's come in a market, do contact us. So we will give you updates about how we can get this house. And in a very beautiful neighborhood. Can you move? You can see it's around reconstruct. New houses are also there next to the main street. So do contact us. Our number is 416-822-0202. Either you're looking for coming live in this house within a few weeks, or you want to come after like a few months. The back of your the screen there is another houses which will come in like 4 months. Thank you very much. This project is coming to the end in a few weeks. If you can look around, beautiful neighborhood with beautiful houses. Lovely place to live with the family, big family houses. As you can see behind me, almost construction is over. Soon it will be in a market. But before coming to market, I already have in my list. I will get you in. Just you need to call 416-822-0202. If you can see around, it's a lovely neighborhood. You can see. And if I can show you, if my camera eyes can show you, it's a lovely greenery also you have. So you don't want to miss this deal. All you have to do, call 416-822-0202. Thank you very much.